Discover. I think by now you already know where everything is located inside Snapchat. To go to Discover from the camera screen, just swipe left 2 times, and you'll be on the Discover screen. With Discover, you can explore anything you want with different editorial perspectives. It's a fun way to search and learn what's going on. Discover recently included channels from top publishers that are refreshed every day. Discover has you covered. You can read something entertaining with just your phone in your hands. There's a channel for almost any topic on Snapchat. You can search for relationship advice, headline news, amazing photos, or basically anything. Press and hold on a channel icon for a quick summary of what it has to offer. You have the ability to subscribe to that channel, so they'll always appear under subscriptions in your stories screen. For example, if you like the news, you can subscribe to the CNN channel. If you like sports, just subscribe to the ESPN channel. If you like magazines, health, or fitness, you can find channels related to them as well. Swipe down to find the channel you have subscribed to. If you want to unsubscribe from any of them, just tap and hold. A pop-up will appear, and you just need to tap on the unsubscribe button. Tap a channel of a topic that interests you. And as we showed you before, you can tap the screen or swipe left to skip to the next snap. Many snaps include an article or video below them. You can swipe up to learn more about that particular snap. You can swipe down to go back to the story, and to leave the story, just swipe down again. If you go back to the story, you'll be at the last snap you saw. At the end of the story, you'll have the option to swipe up to subscribe to that channel. Once you're done watching the story will be placed at the end, and you'll see that you have been subscribed to the channel as you decided to.